Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Facebook. You are all caught out up with friends problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Following all steps. Do not skip. Go to phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search Facebook. Click on Facebook. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Go to Google Play Store. Click on search. Search Facebook app. Update Facebook app. Now press on power button. Tap on reset. Reset phone normally.